JD applying solder. We're gonna get a
Damn. Hold on. Keep going. Keep recording. Keep recording. Damn, that shit right.
That's the acetar. Clean it up.
Did all this. That shit still got that bubble. You got. Let me get that weight. He's got a close up, the major close up on the thing. Dog, quit playing, man.
You know, I only know for perfection.
Hold on, he ain't the only one for
That's Nick.
Hey, the teacher done bust him out, right?
Yeah.
The only reason it's perfect is he wicked. He gonna tell me, I ain't wicked none, man. I ain't wicked none. What you trying to give me? All right, let's get a close up, Mr. Murray, on this. Perfection. Oh, it's a little perfection.
Gnarly.
I do this to perfection. All right, appreciate it, homeboy. About this motherfucker, you heard me?